Hand marching box plank. Start in box plank. And when we lift one arm, we tend to shift to the other side in order to balance. But here we're going to squeeze our core and teach our core how to find our balance instead of leaning onto other parts of our body. Start to think about some weight coming away from the right hand and feel how the core is to compensate as opposed to leaning over to the left. And then when you're ready, lift that hand up and place it down. And then other side, lift it up, place it down. Change, lift, and place it down. And lift, and place it down. Don't move too quickly through this. You want to make sure you are feeling your core engage to compensate from moving from 4 points of contact to 3. And as you get more used to this, feel free to speed it up. And of course, use your hands well, spread your fingers wide, press down into all the knuckles, especially the base of that first knuckle and the thumb, to take weight away from the wrists.